Hello guys, today I'll show you how to unlock the apps on your Android. So let's dive in. So firstly open the Settings app and then in the Search tab type in App Lock. Go into the first thing you see and enter a pattern or a PIN or a passcode, whatever you have set the lock for. So in this menu, you will see the locked apps. You can unlock an exact app which is locked. But anyways, to unlock all of the apps, look for that gear icon and disable app lock. So once you follow these steps, the apps will be unlocked and available for use again. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.